I've got a classic main drain clog here, and right now I'm using the General Mini Rooter XP. This is a self-feeding drain machine. This thing really gets the job done for me. Obviously this is a bad situation. I got the cable started here. I'm just running it through the line, and I think we're gonna be hitting this clog soon. As you can see, the machine has forward and reverse. I also have my controls on the front here, which control forward and reverse. I keep it in forward all the time. The only thing I change is my switch here, and this is how I change my resistance on the cable. Runs on an air push pedal pump. And I'm going. I think I'm getting close to this clog here. And when I think I'm getting in close, I'll switch this to neutral usually, so I'm not putting too much tension on my cable. And then I'll loosen it up a little bit here. Let my cable find its way back down. We don't want our cable getting twisted up. We want it to be happy in there. All right, my drain line just dropped down a little bit, but I'm gonna keep running in here to make sure we're all cleared out. I'm gonna flush it with water too. A lot of resistance on this right now. Right now I'm just running it out in neutral. The drain has dropped down considerably. I'm gonna start flushing it out with water. All right, I got most of our system cleared out here now. All I'm doing is running hot water down the system right now. And I've been running this for a long time. We're good. This Mini Rooter machine is something that's gotten me out of big problems and small. So if you're looking to buy this machine, as long as it's taken care of correctly, this thing kicks butt. Also, when you're retrieving your cable, it's nice because you can just sit here with your foot on the pedal. It's in reverse. It's pulling the cable back. You're good to go. Here you can see the cable is just flying right back. And it nicely wraps itself right back in with the self-feeding rod. We're almost done. And here we are pulling wipes out of here. Just had a big run of it. We'll see if some more comes out. And that is the Mini Rooter XP. I'm a big fan of it. The drain machine will pay for itself. It's good for big jobs and small. It has saved me for years. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, I appreciate it. I have plenty more plumbing and DIY videos on my page, renovations, all kinds of stuff. So hit that follow button, Dave Doc DIY. See you next time.